The LG air conditioner air code CH35 indicates a drop in discharge pressure of the compressor. This issue can be caused by a faulty pressure sensor or low refrigerant levels. To resolve the problem, replacing the pressure sensor is a viable solution. This can be done by shutting down the inside AC unit, removing the outside cover, and powering off the outdoor unit from the control box. Next, locate the terminals of the sensor cable, label them, and then plug out the sensor cable. After that, plug the new sensor into its slot, referring to the labels made earlier. Reinstall the outside cover, power on the outside unit, and plug the inside AC unit back on. Alternatively, checking the refrigerant levels is also crucial, as low levels can trigger the CH35 air code. Inspect the piping for any leaks and repair them if necessary. Additionally, clear any clogs in the system to resolve the issue. By following these steps, the problem should be fixed, and the air conditioner should function properly again.